My name is Brandon Bunny. I'm the co-founder and CTO of Turtle Riot. I am of Cree and Saulteaux heritage. I'm a member of the Zagame Anishinaabeg First Nation, and I was born and raised in Sarnia, Ontario.
My name's Maria Alejandrina Coates. I am co-founder and CEO of Turtle Riot. I was born and raised in Uruguay, and I am an immigrant and settler in Canada.
Together, we are Turtle Riot, a family-founded social enterprise based in Kawartha Lakes, Ontario, on the traditional territory of the Mishi-Segig Anishinaabeg. We develop fun games and interactive media that integrate social and environmental sustainability, meaning that we make games that are both fun to play, but can also support people's livelihoods and well-being, and can be used to regenerate nature, to recenter our relationship with the environment.
So when we think about our relationship with digital media, screen-based media, it's still very much based on a take, make, and dispose method of extraction for better graphics, faster processors, faster connections. With that, we need to understand also that it is at a consumption rate that is unsustainable for the planet and its resources. So we started with this question, can technology and games specifically tie us back to the earth, to the environment, to the land? Can we make a game that has that at its center? So we participated in the COIL Activate Accelerator program. And it was a really great experience. We had two incredible mentors who really helped us kind of define our pathway and our approach to a circular production method and really move along the spectrum of it's not just a fun idea, but we're now in the development phase and we're taking our product to market soon. So we've definitely had the support that we needed to move ourselves along that pathway.
The idea was we wanted to make a game that could activate people and ideally offset itself for its electronic use. Flora's Rain, which is our first project together, is this idea of putting a virtual plant into the actual world that you can see through augmented reality. And then those plants will interact with each other and work in their own ecosystem and build each other up as the game progresses and as you get better as a gardener.
So our approach to game design is centered on a framework that has 4 pillars. And the first pillar is really this idea of emissions reduction. And we are integrating that into our operations and our production cycle so that we can use game code in an efficient way to reduce our emissions.
The second pillar of our framework is about play-based learning. In our game, we've basically let the user explore without holding their hand so much. There's opportunities to make mistakes because you can learn from those mistakes. The play can happen and it's safe for them to have that experience.
The third pillar is real-world impact, where we are designing game mechanics that kind of bridge the gap between virtual gameplay and climate action.
The fourth pillar is about community activation. Through our multiplayer and social features of our game, we hope to activate and engage people in their local ecosystem. We hope that they will work together and share in the challenges that come from trying to balance an ecosystem. Our game will be on iOS and Android, the Play Store and the Google App Store. And it has a free-to-play model. We
really want this to be not just an educational experience, but it's more of a social and mindful experience.
The main benefit of our game is that you'll be able to play in augmented reality, and you'll be learning about ecosystems that you'll be engaging with, and then you can go out into the real world and apply that knowledge to invigorate an actual ecosystem.
So if we were to advise other organizations, what we would say is join a community. COIL was a great opportunity for us. The other thing I would say is iterate on your ideas. Nothing is written in stone. Businesses grow as you learn more and more about them and about yourself as well. So don't be afraid to kind of let things go where they need to be, right? And let things change. That's what will make your business stronger in the end. We believe that video games, as one of the biggest drivers of new technologies, have a space at the forefront of climate solutions. We have the capacity to imagine and create a new world, a new platform where, our children and our children's children can have, a way to play, to learn, to have fun, and to take action towards regenerating nature and recentering our relationship with the earth. And if we can catalyze, this sector, this industry, this audience to be able to do that, then that's a measure of success for us.